Let's talk to Kasra Karimi. He's a senior trader at AudaCity Capital, the funded trader program. Kasra, happy Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you very much. To you too, sir.
Okay, so my notes say that you have just turned 19 and you're doing rather well in trading. Is this something you always wanted to do?
Yes, so I got into trading because of the financial independence it gives you. As a young, I started when I was around 15 or 16 years old under my parents' name actually.
Right.
And since then, I've been falling in love in the game, and yeah,
So you've been doing this since a school kid, right?
yes, I have.
Wow. Okay, well, I won't tell you former teachers. So in terms of how do you trade?
So my strategy is based on fundamental and technical. So a lot of people underestimate the fundamental sides of it. So I make sure I really understand what's going on around the world before I go and to the technical aspect of it and look at the charts. So for example, right now with the Britain, what's happening? And I look at every morning I look at the news, what's out there and stuff. When I go to technical aspect of it, I look at support and resistance. I keep my strategy very simple. I don't try to crowd my charts or anything.
Yeah.
And so yes, my technical analysis is very simple. I look at support and resistance, supply and demand, and EMAs. So I look at the 14 EMA and the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA, the long-term one. And then I look at the charts and the candlesticks and how the market structure is. So it's a very simple technical side of it, but when it comes to fundamentals, you really got to understand what's going on around the world, and then when you understand that, the markets make a lot more sense to you. So yeah, basically that's my technical side. That's how I trade. Yeah.
Well, I was always taught that the fundamentals tell you what to buy and the technicals tell you when to buy.
Exactly. So the fundamentals, it's what it's about, and the technicals is where you enter or exit the markets. Exactly.
Okay, so in terms of your track record, we're going to bring a slide up on the screen here. In terms of your P&L and your performance, okay, run me through that.
Yeah, so could you please repeat the question?
So in terms of your performance, okay, how have you done in terms of your P&L?
So when I first began, it was a bit rough. I was up and down. I had a bit of drawdowns, but now I'm doing very well as I have adjusted a bit of my mentality, and I think trading is such a psychological thing. So like I think me shifting my psychology, I've been able to bring my drawdowns, lower my drawdowns, and have a tighter stop loss, and been performing very well. And actually, I'm almost reaching my 10% for this month. Yeah.
Okay, so just so I understand, when you reach your 10% on your P&L, then AudaCity give you more money, right?
Yes, they do.
Okay, so that's the ultimate goal, to increase your pot size, I guess.
Yes, yes.
So tell me about your experience being basically funded by the program.
I think it's an amazing thing. As long as you know how to trade, a lot of people come in these companies just expecting to be handed everything being handed to them, and I think it's a wrong approach. You got to know what you're doing. You got to have trading. It's like a business, and a lot of people underestimate that, and they think it's such a simple job. You go in there and you buy and sell. It's not. You have to have a trading plan. You have to take videos of your trading every day and see what were your mistakes. So why you made those mistakes? Why you made those losses? So you have to put time to it, and you will not get results after like 1 or 2 months, right? So it's a long process, and I think if you're able to do that, these companies are very good for you, as they are providing you with the funds, and you're not risking any money, which is amazing. Yeah.
So you're basically trading with the house money, subject to you basically winning and not losing. So how much did you actually start off with? Just going back, all right, how much did you start with and how much have you got now?
I started with $10,000. Right now I'm $40,000. Soon it's gonna be more. So yeah.
Okay, well that's pretty impressive. And in terms of the use of gearing, what would you say to people about the use of gearing?
Sorry, could you repeat that question?
What would you say to people about the use of basically gearing?
Uh, I'm not getting gearing.
Basically, putting larger stakes on the table to what you've actually got in your account. Leverage,
So
leverage.
leverage. Okay, yeah, leverage. Yes. So leverage. I think okay. So leverage is not okay. So in my opinion, leverage is very dangerous to play with. So you gotta really know how to risk manage, and if you and Audacity gives you enough leverage to be able to use it for you, not against you. So I think that's a really good thing. And at the same time, so you gotta understand the risk management sides of it. So how to use the proper leverage, and yeah. So I don't. I think it's a good thing, but at the same time, it can be a very bad thing as
It
well.
can.
So if you don't know how
It,
to use it, yeah.
you need to understand it and respect it. Okay, so in
Yeah.
terms of, do you recommend Audacity to other traders?
Absolutely. So I recommend it to the people who already know how to trade, and are they want to improve themselves in trading, and the Audacity will provide you with the best quality of service ever. Like they're great. They email me back like under an hour. So like they're great. They're a great company. Yes.
Okay, my very last question to wrap up. Have you made more money yourself by using the Audacity program?
Yes.
Yes, full stop. Anything to add to that?
Sorry. So um, like I've made my money through Audacity. So Audacity helps a lot. So and then I've made money and I've used it in my accounts to trade as well. So um, it's good, honestly. Like Audacity has opened doors for me, and in my trading career, and hopefully I can continue.
Okay, well, on that note, we wish you a very happy Christmas and hopefully a very good 2019. Thank you for your
Thank
time.
you very much. Yeah, have a great day.
And to you.